there, welcome back to my channel to yet again another bag video. So I got inspiration for today's video from the recent tag video that's been going around. If I only had $10,000 to spend on bags, which ones would I get? So though I wasn't able to narrow my picks down to under 10,000, I thought a more beneficial video would be what are the top 5 bags that I would go out and purchase again if something were to happen, or my top favorite 5 bags, or you could consider it my top favorite 5 bags, or if I was to rebuild my collection from the ground up, what are the 5 bags I would have to have? So no matter what you would like to call this video, these are my 5 favorite of all time bags that I cannot live without. So here we go. My number 1 favorite, obviously because it's my holy grail bag, is going to be my Chanel medium classic flap in the black caviar with gold hardware. This is my all-time dream bag, and if I only had to pick one bag to have in my collection, it would be this one. Although she does not get as much love in daily wear as she deserves just because of her size, she is definitely my number 1 pick. So no, I don't necessarily wear her all the time because she is a little bit smaller. She doesn't necessarily fit all of my daily essentials. This one I bought at the flagship store in Paris. It has so much sentimental meaning to me, and I would never be able to get rid of her, and she is just absolutely gorgeous. It's a black bag, so it goes with absolutely everything. Gold hardware is stunning, super elegant. The smaller size is perfect for more evening time, and I think that the gold hardware goes nicely with that. So I would definitely never get rid of this. If something happened to her, I would replace her in a heartbeat. My next favorite bag is also my unicorn bag. This is the Chanel Reissue 226, or the medium size, I believe is what they're calling it, in the black sheepskin with so black hardware. I am obsessed with this bag. This is also one of my favorites. I couldn't decide between this one and the other one. The other one had more sentimental value, so I had to put that one as number 1. But this one is definitely one of my most used bags. I actually included it in my most used bag video because this one is perfection. So it's all black, it goes with everything. Because of the so black hardware, I don't have to worry about clashing with jewelry. The size is great because it is larger than the medium large classic flap. It has such a nice roomy interior and holds everything that I would need. The inside, you can't really tell there, but it holds plenty. This one is super lightweight. The chain detail is gorgeous, very, very comfortable, and this is just an amazing bag. I can't fit a phone or anything back here, but if I needed to put something in the small pocket, I could do that. If you're looking for an addition to go with your medium large, get one of these babies. Try the Reissue line. They are Chanel's quintessential classic bag. This is the one that she designed, so you really can't go wrong. Most used, definitely perfection, and everybody needs one of these in their collection as well. Switching gears here to Louis Vuitton, another bag that I also featured in my top 5 most used bags video is the Speedy Bandolier 25. So this one I would replace if something happened to it as well, because this is one of my most used bags. I love this. Again, if it's a casual day, it pretty much goes with everything because it's just the traditional monogram, and the strap is so soft and supple, very comfortable. It holds plenty, and even though these ones are very overdone, they're everywhere. They're kind of borderline bougie for being such a classic piece. I am obsessed with it. It takes everything on my wish list. Crossbody strap, top handle for easy carry, and it holds everything I need it to. I don't care what other people think. I would replace this if something happened to it because I love this bag. The next bag that I think everybody should have in their collection is a trusty mini bag. So this is the one that I picked out of all of my mini bags because if I had to narrow it down to just one mini bag, it would be this one. Yes, boring classic black, but like I said, it goes with everything, and if I need a smaller bag, I'm going to go with this one. It's not the lambskin, so it's a lot more durable. This is the crumpled calfskin in the so black hardware. So durable, hardy, goes with everything, doesn't clash with any outfits, is a perfect crossbody, and if you need a mini bag size, maybe you're not carrying much that day, it is perfect. Easily fit my phone in there, card holder, keys, I am good to go. I love these little mini bags, and sometimes you don't want to carry a big bag, or you're going out for a special occasion and you need to look a little bit more chic, and I like the So Black because it is a little bit more understated. It's not bam, in your face, here's my logo, but people in the fashion world will definitely know what Chanel is, so all of these things combined make this one of my favorites. I think everybody should have a trusty mini in their collection, and definitely would replace this if something happened to it. Even though it is one of my newer pieces, it is one of my fast favorites. And for number 5, if I had to narrow my collection down to 5 bags, or if I were to replace the bags, which 5 would I replace? This one was definitely the hardest decision. The other ones were a little bit easier because I just went with what I either loved, what I had sentimental value on, or what my most used bags were. But this one, you'd probably be surprised with my choice, but it is the Louis Vuitton Capucines BB. I didn't want to go with another black bag, but I wanted one that was still classic enough that I could keep in my collection always. So I went with this one because I am obsessed with it, and if I only had 5 bags, I would be 100% happy with these 5 choices. So this is a perfect neutral, nudie, light color summer bag, or if I was dressing in lighter colors, going to a wedding or a special event, I could easily carry this as top handle. It's a smaller BB size, so it's not super in your face, but it does pack a punch. It holds plenty. It will hold all of my essentials and then some. It is super versatile with the top handle as well as the longer strap for shoulder or crossbody use, and it is a classic Louis Vuitton staple piece. The leather itself is very durable, being that pebbled or Tyrolean, I think is how it's pronounced. That leather is just impeccable. I don't have any color transfer on it yet, so I am still going to be careful wearing it with jeans. If I were to be wearing it crossbody, I probably won't do that, or I'll just carry it by the top handle if I am wearing it with dark denim. But other than that, it is for the most part pretty carefree. And I think this one is just a gorgeous bag and would add plenty of variety to my 5-piece collection. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. I know I couldn't really nail down exactly what I wanted to call it, but I think that you got the gist of it. If you did like this video, make sure that you give me a thumbs up. What are your top 5 picks? Are there any that I left out that you are absolutely obsessed with? Let me know in the comment section down below, and make sure that you hit that subscribe button to be notified every time I make a new video. Until next time, thanks for stopping by.